Do you remember this woman accused of breaking the law when she was apparently caught on camera stuffing absentee ballots into a Bridgeport drop box? She's one of two defendants in Bridgeport's ongoing ballot fraud saga who rejected a plea deal today. NBC Connecticut's political reporter Mike Savino was in the courtroom today, and he tells us what's next.
Wanda, Geter-Pataky and Alfredo Castillo were given a choice when they entered this courthouse today. Accept a plea deal or take their case to trial. Both decided to continue fighting the charges against them.
I'm not going to really get into the inner discussions, simply that as far as we were concerned, we were not accepting my client was not accepting the offer from the state.
Since the last court date, I have spoken with Attorney Bepko about alternatives that I requested the state would consider. At this time, the state is resting on the last offer they made.
Lawyers for the defendants said the offers were too harsh. Geter-Pataky and Castillo are among the most notable of the 11 people who've been arrested on ballot fraud charges connected to the 2019 and 2023 mayoral elections. Mayor Joe Ganim won both races. Geter-Pataky was offered 8 years in prison, suspended after 3, followed by 3 years probation. Police say she's the one in this video illegally possessing absentee ballots and putting them into a drop box during the 2023 primary. A judge ordered a redo in that election. Geter-Pataky faces dozens of charges and, if convicted, as much as 500 years in jail. Castillo is currently on the city council. He was offered 8 years in prison, suspended after 2.5, and 3 years probation. If convicted on all charges, he faces 165 years in jail. No date was set for either trial. One activist in Bridgeport says lawmakers need to tighten laws around who can handle absentee ballots and applications. But she also thinks Geter-Pataky and Castillo need to serve jail time as a message to others.
It seems very clear that they took it upon themselves to harvest ballots and change the outcome of Bridgeport's elections.
From Bridgeport, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.